arbitrationagreements.org. Conciliation versus mediation conflict is a natural part of life, but when it arises, it's important to know the different options available to resolve it. Two common methods of conflict resolution are conciliation and mediation. While the two are often used interchangeably, they are distinct processes. Before we go over those processes, please be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell for notifications so you never miss out on crucial information about dispute resolution designed to keep your business running smoothly with satisfied customers. Now, conciliation is a process in which a third party, known as the conciliator, helps the parties involved in a dispute to communicate with each other effectively and reach an agreement. Mediation, on the other hand, is a process in which a third party, called the mediator, facilitates the negotiation between the parties to come to a mutually acceptable agreement. While both conciliation and mediation involve a neutral third party helping the parties to communicate, the main difference lies in their roles and responsibilities. In conciliation, the conciliator plays an active role in proposing solutions and options to the parties. They may also use their expertise to suggest ways to resolve the dispute. Through mediation, a mediator remains neutral and does not offer solutions or options. Instead, a mediator facilitates the conversation between the parties, encouraging them to listen to each other and explore different options until they arrive at a mutually acceptable solution. Another key difference is the timing of the intervention. Conciliation is usually used at an earlier stage of the dispute, while mediation is often used after the parties have tried to resolve the conflict themselves. Conciliation is particularly useful when the parties have a difficult time communicating and need someone to help them bridge the gap. Mediation is a solution when the parties have already had some communication and need help reaching an agreement that works for both parties. To summarize, conciliation and mediation are two distinct methods of conflict resolution. While they share similarities, the main difference lies in the role of the third party and the timing of the intervention. By understanding the difference between the two, you can make an informed decision on which method best suits your conflict resolution needs. So, what do you think of conciliation and mediation? Do you prefer one over the other? If so, drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Also, you can also find access to conflict resolution resources by visiting arbitrationagreements.org. Our association does not provide legal advice. Call our company if you or your business want to open an account or a case. Plus, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and tap the notification bell to stay updated about legal topics designed to help you and your